what we have here is the front half of the Jeep, the back half of the Jeep, and all I have to do is weld them back together. How hard can it be? When I put the manual transmission in Scrappy, the drive shaft was about 8 inches too short. So I figured I wasn't using the back seat area anyway, let's just take it out. Knock out 8 inches out of the vehicle, drive shaft length problem solved. It's not something I would recommend, but it was fun. Okay, what I've done here is install the drive shaft. Notice it fits absolutely perfectly because Scrappy's now 8 inches shorter. So I measure from there, my before measurement, my after measurement, and we are right on there within about 50 thou. So it's gonna be straight, both sides are equal and exactly where I want it to be. Drive shaft angles are perfect, so weld this thing together, we're good to go. I made straps that have 2 holes that bolt these together at the exact location apart I wanted them. So the roof position is exactly fixed. It's right on there. So the only thing I have to worry about side to side, because these roof actually taper a little bit. So there's a little bit of a gap on both sides. The front is a little bigger than the rear. But I don't care. I'm just gonna weld it and hammer it in because it doesn't have to look pretty. All it has to do is be fast. So I'm going to start in on that. I'm going to line it up on the middle section and work my way outwards. So there you have it. Scrappy's back together again. 8 inches shorter, a little bit lighter, hopefully faster. We got full welds all the way around, including welding the doors as our extra reinforcement. We have the factory glass. We have a few extra braces underneath. We have professional body work and paint job. And we're ready to go. Now the only thing to do is get it running again and see how fast she goes. That'll be fun. See you next time.